If you're looking how to do the double exposure effect in Premiere Pro, stick around and I'll show you how in a couple of minutes. Hello everyone, I hope you're having a fantastic day. I'm Giovanni Pino, and if this video helps you, please let me know in the comments and give it a like so it can help others who may need to watch this video. We need to make sure that our first clip has a high contrast. This means keeping the main subject with very dark colors while the background is very light. To start, we drag our main clip into the second layer and we go to the color tab so it can bring the lumetri color options. Then we go to basic correction and we bring the saturation down to 0. Next, we go to curves and we crush the darks and light colors so we can get the hard black and white effect. Next, we drag the clip we want to be able to see through under our main footage. We make sure the length of the video match each other by cutting the unnecessary parts. After that, we go back to the second layer, go to Effect Controls. On the blend mode, we set it to screen. We finally get the see-through effect. Now we just do the necessary tweaking to make sure that the scale and position of both clips can really complement each other. And that's it! If you're looking how to do the Luma fade transition in Premiere Pro, make sure to check this video. Also, if this tutorial was helpful to you, give it a like and subscribe for more tutorials to come.